So I'll show you how to extract audio from amazing AI tool like Descript.com. We'll extract audio from previous TikTok video that we have downloaded together. Descript is quick, simple, and perfect for repurposing content. Go to Descript.com. Over here, you will find the option for sign up. They have a free version. You can just test their free version, or you can their annual or monthly version based on your demand. I think $90 per month. This is cheaper one. 10 hours per month, perfect. So we can go for it, no problem. For this video, we'll start with free version. I already created an account over here. You just see here, and there are two options. They actually asking me to prompt start or test drive. No, I want to start myself. So I'll click on the new project. Here's the option. I will just put my video over here. I'm adding this video and English, definitely. Speaker name, I don't know the name, so I can just avoid it. Always ask before detecting speaker. That's fine. So it's transcribing for me. It's a free version. Just to wait for a minute. So where's the script? So you see the full transcribe script over here. We can just download from here, or we can just copy from here. So that's it with AI tools like Descript.com or turboscribe.com. So in the next video, I'll show you how to rewrite this script for our original video, and also we'll find this type of script without showing our own face, but we can use other character or without any character, just showing the different creatives or clips or image and text animation. See you in the next video. Thank you guys.